Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. You can easily present your entire screen or a specific window in a meeting on Google Meet. While you're present, you can share your information such as documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and much more. If you'd like to do so, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and join into a Google meeting. Once you're in, go ahead and add participants for your meeting if you want by clicking on this Add Other button, and then invite people on your meeting by simply selecting from the list of the contacts displayed on the screen. Click on Send Email, and once the person starts joining in, you'll be able to see them on the screen. Now, in order to share your screen with the participants on Google Meet, simply click on this Share button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on that, you have three options to begin with. You can either share your entire screen, a window, or a tab. In my case, let me open up a new tab over here, and in order to show it to you, let me open up YouTube. Since I've opened up the new tab, let me click on a tab option. Select YouTube from the options displayed. If you want to share your other screen, then you can click on other options right here as well. Let me click on YouTube for now. Remember to check this box right here if you'd like to share your audio as well to let people know what's happening on the screen. If you leave this unchecked, then you won't be sharing your audio, so make sure to leave that checked and finally click on share. Now, as you can see that I've opened up my YouTube on the next tab, and now this tab is being shared on Google Meet. If you'd like to stop sharing your screen, then simply click on the stop button, and that is how you'll be able to share your screen on Google Meet. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.